Hi Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 24th of October. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Two of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Person B here has the Page of Wands, Hierophant and Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have Nine of Cups, which means that there is an emotional connection between the two of you, but both of you are currently very lazy. You both don't want to put in that effort. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Two of Cups, which means that there is an emotional connection. There is a lot of love between the two of you. Both of you feel emotionally for each other and you feel somehow connected to each other as well. That's a very positive sign. The second card for you is Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles means that in all aspects or areas of your life you're doing pretty good. Your finances are in place, your business or profession is doing really good, even your family life as such is doing great. So everything is in place because your finances are also in place, and finances do play a major role in helping us live a good life. Now the third card for you is Ace of Swords, which means that you would want to have a new beginning, and that is based on a very honest conversation with this person. Now person B here, they have Page of Wands, which means that they have kind of an immature energy. This person is more focused towards passion, sex, physical attraction and not towards emotional connection and bonding. The second card for them is Hierophant, which is Taurus energy. This person eventually is thinking of marriage and commitment, which is a good sign that they are, evolving and thinking long term. This next card here is Six of Cups. Six of Cups means that, this person, whenever they are alone, they miss you and they think, the sweet memories that both of you shared. And is there a possibility to go ahead and revive this relationship if currently both of you are on a temporary break? Now let's also see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card I see here is Two of Swords, King of Wands and Nine of Pentacles. Two of Swords means confusion. This confusion could be because you have two options or because you're not very sure what you want to do in life right now. The second one is King of Wands. King of Wands indicates that whatever you want, you'll achieve it. You will be in that go-getter energy. But also sometimes the King and Queen of Wands reflects the third person in the relationship. Now when I say third person, it is not necessary it's a lover. It could be anybody, a family member, a friend, a neighbor, even your boss. Okay, anything. When somebody's energy is coming in between two people in any form, that's the third energy. Now the next card is the Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is a single independent energy. This person is independent, doing really good for themselves, and that is something that you also go ahead and see for yourself. Now let's take a message here from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the first card that I see is it is time to release negativity. If there is anything negative in and around you, you need to release it and move ahead in life. Now we'll also go ahead and see what is the message we have from the archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Solacitite. The crystal message is, are you trying to process a lot of information? Take the time to sort out all that is happening in and around you. Write it in a journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Record your thought and memories upon waking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness and spiritual growth. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Gabriel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.